The assembly of the RF cage takes place in Lebnitz in the south of Austria. First, magnetic shielding made of pure stabolic is installed. 12 layers of pure stabolic are precisely placed to enclose the magnetic field of the MRI at the back of the room. This creates a secure field outside the room, preventing electrical interference. Next, the structure is carefully enveloped with fiberglass rock wall insulation to ensure optimal thermal and acoustic insulation. The centerpiece of the design is our high-quality copper panels. The panels are first attached to the floor and then on all sides to maintain the shielding integrity throughout the cabin's entire lifespan. Every centimeter is covered, and every edge is secured with copper foil to ensure unparalleled protection. Following that, the roof is constructed using copper plates and wooden beams. White wall panels are subsequently attached on all sides. Finally, the suspended ceiling is constructed. The MRI system is slid into the cabin from the truck, ensuring that there is no damage to the construction and the system. We build RF cages for MRI systems that combine exceptional quality, compliance with regulations, and adaptability to your changing needs.